My people, how na day? Na good morning. I'm gonna share for me. Share for me. The
Namie no te pano, que no voy a Abeyuwa me no vie pomo, aki aria we yo. Nagbagwa no te pano, wagiyo. Abeyuwa me no vie pomo. Abeyuwa me no vie pomo, aki aria we yo. Nagbagwa no te o, nagbagwa no te o, nagbagwa no te go pane, deke no wurie o je o. Nagbagwa no te, Abeyuwa nagbagwa no te o. Nagbagwa no te Abeyuwa o, deke no wurie o je o. Late Madam Abeyuwa, Nogaro America, Awon Golorio wa, Prophet Atiti, Yonwe ni to yi wana yakpo ki o gbenu e. Awenu yakpa kere adena. Awawi ye makana mefe o. Ave la video presenter ya. Pero pama mi ove ba me we. Zabu nyi vesi, nunyi. Uke pagari ya wa. Iya we yuje. Iya we wewu. Ebu kere ofekere. Iya wa mana kia mia. Abeyuwa no yepo. Okiari ave o. Nagbagwa no te go pano o. Wagiyo. Nagbagwa no te go pano. Abeyuwa me no yepo me. Okiari ave o je o. Waguwo. Waguwo. Obuwe vitamago. Abeyuwa me no yepo. Waguwo. Ugu nezaga kwa. Ugu gabofie mo kusa o. Abeyuwa me no yepo. Mariye moro, umariye taro, umariye sebi orade. Abeyuwa me no. Agbagwano tego pano. Wagidio. Agbagwano tego pano.
Yes, sir. Pato.
Abeyuwa no yepome. Ijo mi ariawe ojo. Wagidio. Ekenuyo. Abeyuwa no yepome. No we say no no no.
My people. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bemona share for me. Una sister don't come back again. Awe back be ma wo. Mo fi epo. Pikin when he say, "In mama no go sleep. He or she no go still sleep oh." Now with this so. Omo no wishing every year. Here to be here. Every year. Alalwe. Even though say from today go cry reach next year. Me I not see you. Wetin I go do? I go do am. Wanna share video for me. We will play music once.
Wọ́n olúwẹ̀ ìlàlùwé.
Wanna share. No play this one will start.
Ẹ̀nọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀ ni ọ̀nà o. Ìlàlùwé o. Brother Nẹ̀rẹ̀ kíá. Brother Yahweh sọ́jú iye kíáwé o. Ọ̀hẹ̀rẹ̀ gbé. Ọ̀pọ̀ táyé láti hàn. Ẹ bá mi jẹ́ o. Èmi náà máa ta fò. Àti ọ̀tá ni. Wàgí àtẹ̀mẹ́ náà fò. Náà mékè náà fò. Oru agbumeke, oru agbuwe, oru agbe franco. Ifeanyagbe no, awa agbuwe franco. Urawe la video phone o, uya se wo wa. Ifra vita no wo me, egi lalue. Hey baba we dey smell o, egi lalue o. Baba we dey smell o, la mu lalue. E asare so pari ke o,
na ite bawe o.
Agbonfia ni neni o, eyi wa si o sa. Alaluwe no, no Roma. A presenter no yatota kebo, ona gbe 3 years o. Oba sikaka o, ebo masetiri enwa. Uwe ya se Roma o, we yi me isojono. E oru agbumeke, oru akambo o. Alaluwe na,
Eyi lalue o.
Favita o,
Eyi lalue.
iyo bona o,
No be a quiet.
Eyi lalue o. Ebe ki gu egun o, pe ma yiri o. Udeni teri enu o, na la fu egbere
No.
Uderi ni enu o, na la fu egbere no. Epo ni gu egun o,
We marry o.
e ma gbonga fe suwe. Ura inwa
No.
Baba
We dey smell.
Ura de la video. Eyi de video. Efe clap.
Ama te fi na son.
Baba we dey smile.
Hey, we no marry man say it.
Eyi de video. Ide ki pa ne o. We ri lo je won o. Baba we dey smile o. Baba we dey smile. Eyi de video. Alaluwe no from Vita. Naro Roma, ene sojana o, ebe baba no, oya danyo kwa the supermarket yo, eso o wigbo no o, ona ya danyo kwa, igo no me be Facebook o, anyo ya mo, baba we this man. Eyi lalue, uwegi ma o, emi no gbo piano, osi opi akoto. O piado weki o, weregi lalue, ura ladia o,
Wa imi wa o.
wage imi wa no lalue,
Eyi wa no lalue.
Favita no ga,
Eyi lalue.
Egi lalue, okawe as arrest o, wege egi lalo, Favita no, ya sare si eti mayo ware ama we to bu we di roma o eyi lalue o eyi lalue uwe ga gbuwe o den we la we yala o uwe ga gbuwe ne adara gobo o ute fi awu we derio ute fi awu ne o agbon we mi na ga le runu e o amari hun dan o kin eyi lalue o uwe gbama o uwe we si yama o eyi lalue o eyi lalue o eyi lalue o eyi lalue si o fa pe ku alalo fa Victor eyi lalue.
My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Anywhere una dey watch this video, the more help me share, and God go bless you now. By 4 o'clock, we still get another audio we wan play. I don't want to carry that one to this one. Another bogen audio concern this idiot. Another audio day, special one. Now we come listing. Iye join up ga. Na me dey run now. Na me dey run now. This one we go come for live video. Come dey insult man and woman. No wamama negbo gbe o wamama kiye kemi no sun wo le wa ai wa na ekwe mu o wamama ya obama ya ye ya owo iya owo mo na call listen to audio later. I get another audio when I want play. I get a big come te if we na see audio when Abeyuwa pack give me more than 100. Oh, boga one. Toto for deal. I get there. Alalwe. Now the video we do yesterday when I come from work. Now we want to talk about so one analyze that video. You never see something. Una too they forget una self. The time when I go they do, you go to say you be Alpha and Omega. Now you invite me. Now you call me. Now you call me. Now you call me. I did my own jejeje. Now me with if I say, now you see body for this matter. You come out, you want to fight me. You want to continue if I say fight. No me say it happen. I don't know what all year. Please share this video. You just forget your body. I don't know why they put you London for inside again. We don't do the London pass. Now you can't drag my husband come out. Now you can't drag my husband come out. Since how many years now they insult your head? Mama tell me go follow they share that video. My husband sit down in home. He not concern now. Now me and you meet body for social media. You come and call the labor my husband on back. For more than 5 years now when the labor my husband on back. Ye kavi dede, ye kavi mangu. Mama kavi they follow the share video. When you go come and call the insult my husband. Now you fair carry my husband picture come out for this social media. I never carry one of your people picture comments. You were the first person to drag my husband picture. But I pretend like say I don't see you. Now they call the talk say you not get what you do me. Oh, walk here boo. Who are soon with the woroba? Yeah? So you just say go don't do me, then you don't go free like that. And I don't bunny. Where that one they happen? If you try to other people, the person like me, I not go take am from you. I not go take am from you. Wa gbe o, abo lawe gbe. Ogun ogbo egbe ye kebi ne gbo gbe ogun gbegbo e. Egbo jano kere, egbo hame. Ola ni egbe, I go lori egi ya no ya yari e ba, no ma si go. E na ki obi, e na ki enu we. Wa sun hu. Abo lawa egbe na. Now you contract my husband come out. My husband talk to you. My husband they media. Who na the dragon? Huh? Now you can't reach your body. Now you want cry. You say you want carry my granddaughter. See, and I be this. See your picking. Challenge. Make them lead 2 of them. 2 of them in Africa that day. Who should resemble people they born for abroad? Tell me. I tell you yesterday, say, money when my granddaughter they use for 1 week. A whole year, your pikin no go chop am. Frank, they good money. Your pikin no go chop am. Money when my granddaughter they eat for 1 week, just a week. A whole year, pikin no go chop am. The school where my grandpikin they go, for a time, you go take and pay school fees for pikin for 3 years. Me they tell you, oh go can boo. Come there carry now, don't put another one for here. Let me pick up for public. But you go hide down and drag the comments. Any food the way I put for public, if you like you carry am. To hell with you. If they promote my husband, if you don't know. My husband take the CVS. People, they see people be where be not getting number again where they miss the number. Then they find me, they will call me. See where they see a pow, they see a pow. I beg you, they find a pow number. I want to see a pow. You know how many hours come my husband they play for a day for a year. Oh, walking out boy. Promoter, bring her come out. You see, my husband wants you. He don't care. My husband don't care. One soon about lawa now. You know, they drop people. Now, if you don't do finish, go hide. If you don't do finish, go hide. Now be you drag me come out for this social media. Say, I dey record this woman. Now be tell time my body again. If I bother with me, this if you don't finish, I will come quick and they look you. Who born you like that? I be your mate. I be your mate. No one. One fian who. Oh boy. When you like way put for my body, now see they beat you put it tomorrow. Bring another one come out. You come for let me they cut my body, they pull lie. What I don't know it too. I don't know. That be me do one. You sit down for let me they talk am. I see now so that one say come and talk and say now true just the talk so that my life story. You know me before? You know me before you don't know my life story? No worry about it, yeah. Now I come for you. Now I come for you. One. Where am I there? You know me before. Where am I there? You know me before. When you come know say that one that they talk the truth. I truth one. You don't want to see anything talk from my body. I just what they go tell you. They say Mama just too wicked. She too stubborn. Now they go tell you, Mama just they fight. Yes. If you near me, you do what I don't like. I don't say I go sleep. I go beat you every day. Every day. That's why then you go fit off for my body. No, that thing. If you don't buy run, I'm here. No, just the forge let they put for people body. Who sit down and go they drop them? Who soon go they worry? I want to hear. As the big mama can you reach for this media where you carry a comment. You see say I touch her? I near her? No. You no fear. My husband enter Europe, you got a picture, got a bully her. They make her leave you. Oh, walk here, boy. Who by what here? Make her leave you for waiting. What did you not do? You don't know my husband before. What did you not do? They cut the body, they put her. They make her leave you. What what here? Me and they fight you with truth. They fight me with lies. Everything with your body. Now you go to the last person. Every and row egbo I want to ya get one wo wa gbon. Na gboku you akon. Wa gbe o. Dano gbabe. Come on, we listen to this idiot. May I play your stupidity this morning? How would you hear? Who cares? And I know I don't dey like make I dey put
People who are right there for national peace to read face. I got you. Almost to talk.
Share the video.
No. I agree because
Turn up, baby.
I already suggest can get the outside for my outside.
Dayodiku. Drunkard. You, if you not drink, you not fit enter live video. Me, I not dey drink. I not dey smoke. I dey talk to you with my clear eye. But you go come and call the drink, call the talk with nonsense. We drink. Ye kwe mwe. Wa gbeo. This I get, my husband get your time. Wa gbeo.
That's why I have to go check it.
Please share, wanna share.
So what? Now, idemu jano ibubu. Mena no menwa mo bole era la de social media.
Na yera.
Una mi we family we ya gwi me ubo. Edo we a lot of friend.
Na yera. Na John Prince dey talk so. He said na him be the first person wey drag John Prince family come out for social media. Now that one they do you now, you can't they cry. Now see life. Una see life. You go drag who sit down their own come out and you bring the social media. Me and that part of corner. Don't please dove you. Not only one for Sabi two person. Let's not go do you. I feel.
He married, ne? Have to listen some things.
Shut up, who?
You understand?
Who he married? He way put for house. He married. You married. They collect money for your hand. Now be traditional go to. Traditional want to do for 100,000.
A lion is always a lion.
Ooh.
I have to leave some things because why? I don't marry.
Lion when you go do video finish for public, you go to cry for his house. Oh fair, you be rats. Don't call yourself lion. You be rats. Oh funky. Oh for no, we video don't have via war.
Don't get wife. Don't get children. Don't get responsibility. Where they cater for.
Who children you get?
Mazuok is there.
Which children you get? Tell me she born your own for you. Not be a big bone. Not yet say your sister say 3 husbands don't marry. What say Adesuwa? You know yet say 3 husbands she don't marry. 3 husbands are born for. But you know they talk that one. The other person like they see. Wow, worry, yeah.
I just boom you. You know what going to go no, my people like that too. Many of them what they do, what they cost me, they buy pictures come on. I know the answer. You know they see the video. They say they come give me. They come give me. But I just look at my answer.
God swear, me and you, who fed they bring any best picture come out, family picture. Can't swear. May you come and can't swear. There be man boo. Since how many years now when they carry my husband picture they come out? So many years. Since how many years? Because I keep quiet they look ever since. Now get your time. Or when you get it, when I have for twaye. Now get your time. What I feel they feel. Please like the video. Still they competitive. You will run for Oko. Prisoner. You will defend for those states. When I let Oko where jump bail. Now you the competitive. Now see their life. Why is everything where they your body? Let they laugh people. Why? Like me, you know who be always ya game man.
Kasavatuno. We not only with Kasavatuno. A ban will up with Kasavatuno. When you are you come Basago the ban. The Kasavatuno, which we all know. Or two when I'm going to this is your sister, you who lives in Germany for decades of years now. Oh, mommy, she's a bad woman. You got like family way. If you go over there, why? The cost, the generational cost, no, the family way. I go look, I go laugh. We are brother do media. You are there. Do you know one thing about the family? No, who say, "Ovi kwe mahi." Ima wasu say.
Do be va kumo wa.
Mahi mi wa ngai.
Ejimi. Then later, Bill, why don't we not be hungry by your papa? Before your papa buy, see food chop. Where till the rain in the way, where you are able. You feed your papa, how am I beru be? No wagmo. Where till the rain in one later of fatality. What do you be no the kiamba? Eru Bobo was a big man. Oga me go big man no. I want never go get ba. But Eru Boga fatality level here. Voit le toy la raton. Fine Azuo. What do Gwema and then Ruben or Wegbe of the FDA. Oh,
that's the only thing where you are mocking away. A family like my poor and my rich. That's the only thing you can
now be let that one see ah. You know, see that's the one at the place is how many days so. I want to throw away one bomb today again. Another bomber. By 4 o'clock, they throw it down. The grace in an area more way, and me all of the day with. I'm going to hear.
No man, as far as Benin is concerned, 85% of the Benin's are poor. They started sending our children to Europe for prostitution. That's what makes Benin to rich or boost Benin. If you say I'm lying, quote me wrong. 85% of Benin are poor. We're all villagers.
Shut up your mouth.
If not for Italo, our youngest who came to abroad to start using their private part to make money.
As Mama Kevin do now.
Families today in Benin.
See who the last person. I'm not see they talk. Do you know the way you call they talk to anyhow from social media? You know they don't do a share for media for Europe. Now man go marry for house, break and come. Genotata, the same thing. They not do big for Europe as Mama Kevin do. They remove one of her hand before she enter house. So te bi arabuna gbo ni san. Okay la wa ge kwe amu wa. Mona get shame. Ha. People when I go the talk, when I call the one when they break down, they not do the work. Mama Kevin, if not be say small thing, now that place, if you never still retire as they talk so, she said they do street work. Wow, wiki.
And at the same time, land grabbings, selling lands. Tell me the company already do. No, my boy, I go do. Hello.
Go.
Wow, young boys become billionaire today. Billionaire. Come on, I'm going to talk about a company on Namuna.
You want to talk about
as a graduate, that you can say, this is the certificate of Tony Kabaka, who is a billionaire today. You understand? The only thing you can use to mock me now, when we are poor, and I'm proud of it. And I'm trying to make change in that same family. Everywhere we go, on our swaba.
Swaba, shut up. No swaba. If they buy. Your papa, they cut toilets. You want to talk to who they buy? Abba, where they buy now. Who not get money to not buy Abba? He got Abba, man, here I am. When no one here I am, but where do? You know how many house Papa Don Priest take and build for Benin? You know how many house? Not be land where he gets, but will leave that side. Your papa not get for Benin. You not get from a village that go. Now community now build that 2 rooms for your papa. Community now build them. Shame on you. Wow, bell. Where the community but one. Why do I go and go in public? What yaba ya usumu go dem rowa. What yeah. Community obo wanera. What yaba ya. No, what? I boy, they not put silly. The man gonna be go silly your papa house. Then you go where do I go meet the I also the mark better have one. No bell. And I made our friend I feel to it by here. Yeah, bassing it, Betty. No soon when they were over. You feel happy, papa. You feel happy, papa, before your papa come out. Okay, where to would your body request? My boy, how would your body and warrior? I can do what they do on a monk bed. And I near where Abeyuwa man where get and Abeyuwa what you were any. Man where I get an area by it. I want to be a young way what you've been a nato. I want him, and if we why do mean one point public one you can't talk to people anyhow. People will pass you, where better pass you 100%. Where you not reach the level they take match ground. Why worry about it? Yeah. One soon. Done on babe.
You don't test the fire, Mama. By the oh, we dead point.
As well. Man,
understand? That's to let you know your father was not fucking rich, he was fucking poor. Or to let that you know you go. What does papa? Who drives to politics? If you want me to continue narrating your family from the beginning to the end.
Best way they talk, so the thing where they surprise me for inside. My people, I don't want forward down. Because if I come for the man, I don't come past where they talk to his mama. That is why I for forward down. They will go to straight to my home. If I come forward, the man I don't come past that place. They make me the plan. The man are here with me.
But I see where if you want to be your money. Because I'm not going to answer that is why I reduce my saga. In our sea koto. In your sort of was
you know if you do saga now. You where they go beat you go they cry for inside down a saga. How? Now where they chest on? Yeah, you worry and one man. Yeah, you want the ever la beg the love here. They don't know where can get other from the Kenya. A waffle. I don't know ya via ni get Kevin Yabo. O bere ni ma be le se ba ni. Fe agbe wa wo wa. Iye je agbe wa wo wa. Ona be le abo o fe ni wa ti ejuleti no be agbon time. No wa. Ona be le boy wa gbe o. Please share the video.
Yeah, yeah. It would have one young. Or no, I'm not going to have one young. It's my own, you know, you're going to take big, but you would have one young. Yeah, you can't be the I first even with a command la why I be. You have a new because yeah, only will he even that me who want water. And it's some woman where you know my way no who you are. You understand? Where no who you are. Well, you are going to do who you are. He made you who you are. Oh, marry me, you are.
Your baby bagun when shut up, you know, marry people for house. You can let them where you are. Anyway, now so that they marry. So that they marry so. Now marry that they marry so. Idiot. John Prince, wife they born for the house. Mama Kevin not fit give you one. Now that person when they cry so. You want to come turn to your home. It go hard now. Tell her me she born for you. When I'm more when. And that one think they know woman. That woman wey don't enter money purse. You don't lick. No way. Me when they care, I will be run wire away. Wire my kone. Low spend my woman. Beo, okay boy. You're here. Oh, dear barrier.
You don't understand something here. There's a big difference between me and you. You're being this for decades. Oh, back. Look at how pretty. And at the end of the day, who will less a barrier? You can't.
No, man, you go wrong on it. Yes.
You talking to me?
Who be you? Me, I don't finish with you.
I don't know. You said that. I know how they are here. I see why you are here.
Where you now?
Because we are standing back where?
No, you want to tell us what they do so now? Better to just do so now. Eh? If you say just useless set of people they follow you, they waka. Where they come, they watch you. You don't know, say, where is society now? Because women are going to be there. Women are going to and young Moparon will we meet here. But I want to cost a person in the year. Or for no, we're going to survey. I'll do feel like no video and we work no year. I yak one. Umagwa can want you no bell. If I bought lower, baby, no lower, been on war, wow, yeah. Come here, Kevin, no be of when. Kevin, no erane. What's the etios? What's the no erane? Wabola, wabo bear. Wabola, wabo bear. Ere Kevin reta good, never know what one. Why be care? I feel.
No. Agwaria, Aknya Denania, when you are undocumented immigrants.
You get
You
get documents
for years. This
the last person. You don't get to.
Today you are now hiding from that same Napoli. You can't step your foot to Casalatulu. You know that. Because of fraud you did to a white man who was assisting you those days. How you fraud that white man. And you run away with the money. Behold, what do you do with the money? It's drinking and gallivanting. At the end of the day, you have nothing to achieve.
No man. Oh, Zuo.
Umenwan no more Zuo with your more Zuo. Me no more Zuo.
Allah worry.
He make backbo ye bonarina ye Germany. Ina ye France no ye na. Leon. I was in Leon. Ina ke Leon. Ina ye backbo na ye Germany. Ina ye okeri wa me Germany. Ina ye work with
No, see life. You go Germany, you not see documents be come out. You go France, you not see documents be come out. Why you know they get shame for high if they talk from something for mind? You Germany where you say now you boy there with. Not be beneath woman, not be married woman. You go sit down with. Not be married woman. You go they look back who's no bell agmon no yala lowe. All where no. I never know about no worry about your one young honey. Bell, okay, boy. You want go Germany? You get paper. You want come from Germany go Italy. Not be all like Coco give you. Where till the Abeyuwa? No worry, you get. You want come laugh person and you not get. Come on, shut up.
With Ario, where Awanyon, Ogon Bazin.
Done.
Il y a un boy avec bien Guyavie. Na gbe a die wi yomo no Italy ni me kere gba le ni ke ma gba wa mi no see ni ma so ba ti ma
Ba go no gwo o.
be ni gbera gbiri se ma gbo wa agbe mo na ye
Ogun fi agbo ogun gbo egbegbe we wa sun bu. Iwa bo la we gbe o ke nu gbo wa we. O kere. Mi nere no mu e na. Any answer we can answer we be Latin. That is why I not go leave you. If you they fight your people, you not concern anybody. You feel they fight your people, you not concern anybody. But God they interfere for another person matter. Where you not concern you, when they not call you put. Now there you get problem with me. Allow. Now there you get the problem with me. Because everything we talk from my body on our life, even though I do one, it not concerns you. You not get the right. You not get the right. Now tell me, are you one who left for the same trouser? I mean, they tell you. You not get the right. Because when we fool in our body, you never feel suffer finish. Now that person now you can't put your mouth. Me I cry, come meet you. Me I never turn aside get problem for this social media. Eh? How much more? What did I not do? You sit down for more than 2 hours. You they talk. The other idiot come and call they talk. You call they bear witness. Say yes to my life story. You know me before. You know me before. If you answer will be Latin. Let me they tell you. If you answer will be Latin. Because ube ubawa una igwogere odogbe. Huh? E no come can wear. When you say my problem say he hold you. What did my husband not do? You cut the body, put on for your body. The thing where they pain, as soon as I'm waiting, I do. Now you just a talk. I not go quarrel. I go talk and small, I go rest. Not be waiting I not do. You should not for life video. Be good when they talk. One fear. Now the audio way. Yes, so now you never can go there.
And I host it.
Osage said, now you can go there. Yes.
City to city. I have friends who know any bigger. As I enter like this, but now I want Africa shop. I go enter like this. We will cast.
Still they talk.
No day. You got a record. The every shop when I channel. The shop train station. Egaji. Really move. I can back drive. I'm back here.
Where my home?
You got a company going on. You got a conference call. Eddie Hako. Massive conference call. Egaji. We do work in shop beneath. With the bike system, we do shopping, Africa shopping. We do beneath guys enter the shop. You know the day. As the guy excites me.
And all the time.
On a des canards, you know, I'm more than a tennis. On a
I never tell for inside. The man here,
better matter will cast this video when I go bring a command. I set the video now. Conference call me again. Always set the video. You know, you got a conference call. It matter you go on. Over. I did listen to the conference call. I still got look. I think it's a bros. I bet no vessel. No vessel. Your face look familiar. And I feel bless you the best way to see for media. And I want for no because the way the guy talk, you know doing. You have one. Me don't catch us. No, I'm big guy. Or risky can you with no vessel, bro. I bet no vessel. Your face look like best way to see for media. And I offer for no mem. I got it diving. Oh boy. Papa with this man. We the day, but guys, a conference called him up to make a enjoy with that guy because we fought to go flex yesterday. You understand? I did call they talk to me for phone. I had to diagnose information in my ear. The guy grabbed me. I said, "Ma Kevin, me Kevin."
Still don't go there, yes. No mind now. Idiot people.
Real life, you know, my brother.
Please like the video for me.
Wow, see. Hey, woman, I say now. Any city where I go, when I don't see Africa shop in that city, and they are lying. Not the song.
Now the useless people now go see where go embrace you. People wey get sense, now beat they go beat you, they catch you. Near one wrong, now go see you, they go embrace you. The main people wey know say what they do for social media say you they disgrace our people. Now beat they go beat you, and they boy a day.
I dey enter that Africa shop 247. I go Genova. A street in the Genova. And full street in Africa shop number 8. Ibele wene. Ibele me to be name is Eze. Me is Eze. He never preach pe. Ya kona pe lagona, ya kona pe lagona, ya kona pe lagona. Ya kona pe lagona. That's what they see me. That's what they declare here. That's what they declare here.
Oh damn it.
You enter shop, they don't recognize you. You don't see your fans. At least, and I want a live video. I want your live video. Why me talk? Let them see it. I want your. But after they will be here. You understand? They go to say, you know, I mean, hey, life goes on. And your way. People who don't see me for real ground, they go no say yes or no man. Now flexing man, no dumb moments. I wait till I can hear done or go back. Let's enjoy not to this life. No, I'm going to live video. Video ba owo live video akini na ile gan kunsun be me live video e vibrate e vibes what's in here nwanyu
ma so wo live video
when you just imagine
what yeah
wo le ra enu we now dem de gbo wo o le ra enu we now food they cook for you so then You go still come on for live video, say, you want to insult Umenwan or insult my wife? Instead
Who
of
be your
beg,
wife?
say, Umenwan, give me your wife contact.
Who be your wife? I didn't know who now. We born for the whole nation. Now they call your wife. Who be your wife? I didn't know who. Iye Kevin or wait your walking where. Louis. Hi.
Make I give my wife. Make your wife teach my wife how to cook, respect a man, obey a man, give a man good dishes. Oh, God. A good food is better.
Alicia, you know, see, almost when why your pikin old like this, I bid you know they send your useless baby mama money. You know they give her money, oh. See the money where you say they work for you, and mama Kevin with the children they chop am. This one just the suffer. Not say as a pikin be. You no fear. You want to compare my own pikin. Wait, I tell her just now say money where my pikin they chop for 1 week. A whole jail. You know this one no fit chop am. Ti guy pump mo rekun packet shirt good mo no moya emi pe mi po wa yo na guy see pikin anga nya kan yo ewo no ku yada omo na hin won kon te kan ko be my pikin twe wow see am difference is clear. Who see me and this in America and they for born they don't in Africa they for born wow bell
Under the doctor. EKV. Edino. Me no de dinasi kamo de dinasi young genale. Ina me young genale ko ile.
Ya wa ta u ki Kenya.
We die together.
Oh, you think say guy documents we want give you. You don't know say the mama can be frustrated. Frustration and the warrior. We are meant to frustrate. That is why. You think say guys. Now make you go there no gbo. Wa fi an wu.
No the reason. Waiting because Umenwan, you don't have sense. Ugwale, young girl, beautiful, sexy, he get breast, he get nyash, he fine, he can presentable. At the end of the day, you are dying inside. In the general public, in the eyes of the public, you have a beautiful wife. Inside your room, you are dying inside. God forbid. Now, when give I do it, give it a hand, I do. Give it a walking way, Yan anyway. Is this not a shame? Is this not a shame?
How?
Get back when you are here.
Oh God.
See, get no more. See, can I get back with? Okweoba, no here on social media. No, don't go the word go on the media that wants to communicate to the whole world. Look at the kind of food you came out on media to eat.
He bring am make una sense, not be hungry, they beat am. Because now they thought say because of Abeyuwa not they give am money again. You know we see money take food. Now make am pack am full plate. Make una see and say, he get food for house. Let me say na hungry, they beat am. Shut up your mouth. Oh, wabagmo. When I'm Nigeria matter. Now that is one of the live fake life so. Because now fake life too not good. Now when they pretend, whereas not today. Wow.
Where are the Umenwan? Or to any Yore, not a Germany. She's a barren woman. Mighty be for years. Or mama be a ganoma be or 20. Or somebody be Umighty always you are done spiritual. Udere no here. Enorana udere. Or do you want to be no here Germany? After you had bash away for many years. Anybody know here when I would dog here in Germany? You are taking you. You're a man of beer.
He get careful, you let no yak mountain. Now your body you talk it baby be agare. We move way. Now you matter for come out. Not be me talking. Now she use her mouth talking. Wait a thing and book back. Why will you get your big bere? See my own 10 now bring come out so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make bring your own come people see now. If na lie, you get 9 over 10. Now you get 9 over 10. Now you get. We all get 10, but you're on a 9. You not complete 10 again. Where you forgot not be their work. See, you know, even this year, it's useless man they talk. You know, even tell us not they talk go there again. Because your hand not complete. I feel. I will be a gas on it, big guys on it. I want to hear.
You a spiritual eyes where Yahweh you never can be. Obonemi be. Wa soon. Then we have Abeyuwa. Ebo, when I think fraudable, why are they agbon? When no such fraudable, why business is not the Torino.
I feel.
And yet Napoli. Enough.
Your sister they beg Abeyuwa, make it forgive you. No lao, lao, emwe bogbe, amo. You not frustrate Abeyuwa. Who buy Abeyuwa? You buy Abeyuwa. What buy Abeyuwa? Obo Abeyuwa la. Cause the veven Abeyuwa via ogi akewu. Oh we go yeah. Igi ukmi ojo. What buy Abeyuwa? What do you? Oh, Jack Monjani. You don't contact the old was to touch up with woman money. I was one never but like that they support you. My friend.
Portable, a Casalatuno, una Lenamu, una base to the extent that declare you wanted. I'm not going to like Ali.
I want to hear.
When he appear you one on a go, una finish Abeyuwa career. Abeyuwa don't have a finish. Make us see I know what. It's not a security workers.
Shut up, boo! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up your mouth. I said, make shut up your mouth. Abeyuwa, the money. Now you with your family, now you frustrate Abeyuwa. You with your family. Now they now frustrate Abeyuwa. Now chopping money. Be there where you chop Abeyuwa more than 20 million. You yourself more than 20 million. There with me. He there with me. More than 20 million. Let you chop Abeyuwa for that one. For Naira money. The one for Europe. Europe, what is they say for you? 10,000 plus. Calculate all of them. You there among the people who frustrate Abeyuwa. Your family are not there. The one when Abeyuwa tell do better for you. Where? The one your sister mama can chop. Abi wetin dey call you guys say. Ya na osun with the worowa. Abi Frederick. Abi the other one Osaige. Who were owa? The money when they shop where? No gbe wa gun. Wa o wa ba gun sian. No wa ba gun. Wa worry here. Now you chop all this money, bury your money. Now your hand today. DJ, na he buy am. Cow, na Abeyuwa buy am. No worry. Money when they pay for you for hotel every week. For every day for hotel for Italy. How much? 50 euro. Calculator for 3 months. No how much it be. Ma fi an. But lawe gbe. Okay,
most frustration, no what force the money. You pack all our money.
Well,
after eating all our money, at the end of the day, on a big bear, on a way that
because
of thickness.
Because now you frustrate her. Now you cry, now she dey cry every day. Say you chop your money, you must pay that money. You cry, na 3 of una. You not talk about Don Prince. No. Even the money when I said Don Prince even chop, so 2024, he not there with me. Abeyuwa not give me. 21, 22, 23. Now she can't give me. All of them deal with me. My word, yeah.
Because of thickness. Well, Abeyuwa in the to filling station. Abeyuwa was not having anything like apart from transport.
She
was only
working
in the transport company.
Na lie.
But through me, I have 2 good filling stations.
Na lie. Abeyuwa not tell me say na 2 filling station you get. Na lie. You only tell me say na 1. Now that one say problem can't enter. She explained everything to me, all her life story. She tell me, yes. Assuming say I know say this woman will buy, I for record her. They are complain to the whole world. I'm the record person. But every way you talk, all of the day my brain. This one was just a shout, and I like the talk. Abeyuwa tell me all your own life story. As she tell me for Spain, she tell me everything. Where she for day for Spain, she tell me these 2 cities where just stay for Spain. She tell me everything. Before she go America, so she tell me everything of her story. Abeyuwa gist me everything. Official no will come here come talk. Never. I no go come here come talk. She tell me everything. The advice when I will still give her. So shut up your mouth. Man, no man analyze the talk. Anything when I hear for you, and I be the truth. Let me tell now. I don't feel life for Abeyuwa head. No. I no go feel life for her head. Anything when you hear for you, na be the truth. Now wait till she tell me. Now I go talk. She not there yet, but her spirit is there with us for here. Oh,
In that CIA, filling station with what? At the end of the day, you guys drill this woman, drill her. Yeah, say, no, we are there. But what's me? Onto say, Ibizu Beno. Yeah, said me Bizu Benia deport. Who are so when they were. If Abeyuwa, why do I go in a one? When Abeyuwa was alive, you guys were the enemy. You guys want my downfall. You want me to clear out of Abeyuwa life so that you can grab Abeyuwa to yourself.
No.
And really, I left her for you guys.
Oh, gee.
What is the end today? What's the end story of Abeyuwa? Is death. Because she moves with enemies. You see?
No man, no more. Now because of Mama Kevin. That one not going to give her money again. And money when Abeyuwa they give her, now him with Mama Kevin they chop her before. Abeyuwa called the tete and say, in money, that they feed Mama Kevin. Now the one withdraw the money, you not going to give him again. Now it cause fights for them. No man, no more. Man, no man, no more. Oh, God, boo-way. Okay, boo-way.
What are boo?
Oh,
Abeyuwa like me, my woo.
I'll walk back. I'll walk back. I'll walk back. Not here when we say anywhere Abeyuwa in the land, or can't tell one anymore. If na man or woman, where that woman hand, where it pass, he must call that one follow body. Can only take time. Can only take years, and you must go.
Omabu. Orarigome. No here is abundance.
For where? In a year.
Abundance.
For Mama, you go to
I've been on the 2 filling station. A week, the transport in here, Omanamigo is $3,000. I can testify that because I.
Man, no man, no. Man, don't mind. Before the woman buy, so the woman not get filling station. He said the one way he buy, the first one where she buy, they collect her for her hand. I don't know the problem where she get that time when they collect this thing for her hand. She can't put her for under one. They play her money, enough to buy again. Now what did she tell me? Now they talk so. Before she come out, she's not gonna get again. The driver work. They can't share paper. Donald Trump share paper, documents for people. All of them don't get. They're not going to go to work again. They're not going to see people they carry as before. She's not going to see people as they carry as before. Now make her go start work. Before now driver work, now she still they survive. When they share documents, those who can't get, they're not going to go ahead. Now few people, now she can't they carry. And that money, now we shall do anything. Then she goes start work. So shut up your mouth. Man, no man now. She explained everything to me. My friend, whoa, boy. Now I tell her, okay, I see B now. Those 3 work not too many. Because if you come from Nigeria, you go leave the driver work. Then you go concentrate for the nurse, the hospital work and the security. Wa fi an wo gbo e. Wọ́n bí wa to, wa bí wa ti ewe mu wa mi o. Wa ba ore.
Can't take money with her on video call every Wednesday.
Now be you follow her chop the money. Not because you see the money, not be make you go there. You say you not love her, but you love the money. Because they follow and they chop the money. No bell wagmon. I do your hoy.
Every Wednesday, I be woman and me go the week till he came. My work back carry phone, the video call. My concern on the filling station on me. It has nothing to do with the filling station.
Yeah, you can't follow and chop her. You do your hoy.
But
are you?
At the end of the day, I'm gonna get $3,000 every week, equivalent as 3 million. Let us say 3 Nigeria currency. I'm gonna get 3 million every week. Calculate 4 weeks. 4 good weeks, which is I calculate when I can come up for me. 3 million for a week. 2 weeks that's 6 million. Another 2 weeks that's 6 million. 6 plus 6, around 12 million.
The one we put for your brother account to go. Where the money? I will be safe upon. Where? Here is a boy. You don't know anything.
A month. Or one day when you're depressed, that person will still be depressed. I'm just using me as an example.
Go there.
The filling station by now. In my calculator, filling station by. In my toilet filling station by. I'm just doing rough mathematics now. Rough mathematics. This woman was in my life. And I was in my life. This was moving well for her. When the reason why? Because he has a man of wisdom. No, we here to the lazy.
Oh, Ponga, whoa. He got a where you be away in a matia. Huh? He got in your Victor. All this money when you chop up there, what did they call this one? Hey, you go. Okay, that's who you go. Huh? 20 million plus when you chop uko. The other one 10 million plus when 10,000 euro plus when you chop uko. What did they call those ones? Nothing in life.
Dating me when me invest in the life of me invest with Abeyuwa money. Near guy Italian near Castellan. When Abeyuwa
man, the whole money we chop for Abeyuwa money. Now woman, it take an bekus. Even the car we say buy for your brothers, Abeyuwa say, I said the other one I play. Abeyuwa say na he pay. Those 2 cars. He said na he pay. She talking for the audio. We'll still play the audio before we finish this video. Mona listen. What do you
Land Rover, after that, we the next one evacuate. Or the evacuate black. Chaka one. It took all our way video call. We on video call. Imagwalo. Even we are sending in the ad demo. I don't want this car. Not why I don't know. Who could ship a? Even we are ship me demo to them already. Please. Wait, it doesn't make sense. Because you want to carry it for high tempo. You might say, maybe when you are connecting this shipping of cars to Nigeria, I never get documents. It's not a ship car they go to Nigeria. Shipping of car to Nigeria, you must stay there. You must follow the car they go house. Go maybe I see something. All your family go you know do their own. Yeah, bro, I'm not going to do one.
Since when they talk, you never talk way for chop Abeyuwa money. Oh. You not chop, now they talk. But all the receipts when they bring come out, who can't get them, that way? Who can't get them? Not be your own. Receipt where date today. The date where you go claim everything day. Where the money go je? Who pay a whole ton 3 years, not be forever. 3 years, not be forever. You don't chop this woman money, you dey deny. Come the talk story. Anyway, the one where you chop will come. The one where you chop, when me I get the receipt. Where?
Spaghetti go ni. Are we at 20,000 euro me? 20,000 euro. Yes, one. You know, I don't continue to push now. I reject it.
I me mantan.
Hola, well,
Where you are? Et one you are.
And you know the.
Era na let you be one.
Or one, me be you are going. In my business them. I don't want to see so. I'm going to sleep in because she lost me. If you see so, you don't go do anything.
Why you call the deny now? Why you call the deny say not chopping money? Since you know say not fit do you anything. What you come and make you the deny? Or you were seeing when be say all the receipts carry your name, date and everything day. The day when she send her, the day when you yourself receive her, the day. Money grand not go talk like. Real not go talk like. You not be like Africa. Yeah, everything where you do, till tomorrow all of the day computer. She bring her house. The place where you even go collect them, they address everything day. The city where you go collect them, they address everything day. Why they lie? Why they lie? Why do make you they lie? Who did you?
You understand? But we're no Zoa. You enter that woman's life because you are a fraudster. Una swan fear baby wago. Wabi joy.
Oh, bon.
When I swan fear baby wa 419.
What bell?
To the yesterday, the woman started loading money for you guys. Pack.
Oh, bon, rien boy. Eh ben, nous manquons rien mieux. On a son côté, brouba. Ou a mieux, ok. Oh, bon, rien boy. Maintenant, son affaire bien ouais. Ou bien affaire ego eh. Ya go fear ego. Wetin wan make me plan money? You dare say every when they talk Abeyuwa not give me money. Who worry ya? Abeyuwa no ma me o no gun po e. Who sun wa? Wa gbe o.
When that's one brag that do, when that's one went small start. You spread it. When that's one I like you. Hello. Oh yes, I keep you quiet. See you sagaring me and my children because Abeyuwa is pumping you guys with money. All see Abeyuwa let you.
Oh yeah, I rule level eh. Who working around the level eh?
Oh be as you go eh. Oh go calculate.
Who are rule level eh?
Oh be calculate. Quote me anywhere, I will explain. Oh we are now where I don't want this relationship anymore. You will see the woman say, that's why you chop her money, that's why you do this through. They go fit the calculate, but man not the calculate.
I want ya go boy.
You understand? Now, Oswana no we are Domugu. After we fraud Abeyuwa, una Abeyuwa career. The only thing for you to act, attach Abeyuwa to yourself, firstly, is making your own daughter into a goddaughter to Abeyuwa life.
So?
You understand? You know the reason why I didn't answer them. Una know me all these years with this guy in talk. This one I don't answer them because you not rich. Yes, no rich.
If they pay
Because Abeyuwa
you.
don't die now. One answer.
Don't too much you. They pay you. They pay you. Now me chase you. Every day. Now me owe you. Osayere. More daji. Now me owe you. Look my face well. I resemble who the fear person. Me home more. Look my face. Me come on home. Me come on home more. Who bear? Look biki. I want the
Why I don't want to answer on them? Because me should not feel say now because of Abeyuwa they pay me. Say he don't collect a bit of my hand. Now they pay me. Now this Don Prince and Queen. The reason why I don't answer that one. I'm not gonna now. The way this guy they insult me,
lodge the
insult my
video.
children.
More
Now so
like
when they insult me, they insult my wife.
who be your wife?
All because of Abeyuwa.
Wow,
So why I keep them mute
Well,
all this year is because of Abeyuwa. Because Abeyuwa was still alive. So because if I answered them, because that was what Abeyuwa wanted. Abeyuwa wanted my attention anyhow. I refused to give it to her. So when I come to say, she started calling.
Me, I even blame Abeyuwa when she died alive. So why you going where what did they find for where you did? You will not be human being. Why you going over? Ema borebo America uje ikbero. Ana me gwena mama na no soy. Oh ya me. Una wa akpoli go gie. Content the was to take shopping money. Not be all this story where they talk. So we don't want to hear this one. We don't want to hear this one. As you touch shopping money, can't tell us, and then we want to hear for your mouth. And the other one I play yesterday, I be there for yesterday. Can't tell us. What fian? You will come at like a bubble, or like a bubble, or trauma like a bubble. And they complain on that one just now. More cause shame and when they turn her body. What fian?
On their live video. Then I started answering her personally. Now she be the answer, not be the social media live video presenters. So I just want to let her know say I don't send her. I'm contented with the woman where I'm married. And that's why I don't answer this mogul and a queen all these years when they insult me. But as far as I don't die, now none will answer the mogul. You understand? And I want to tell her say, Alpha, show. But we are alive, but we start the saga. You don't understand? But we start the saga. Let's start disgracing, spreading in the dirty village of our families on social media. Let's see who get bad stories. Let the whole world listen and hear and see who get bad stories.
Thank you, Osage. No man now.
Me, I
Listen, I
use truth
play.
to cure you. Yes, now. Truth about your family lineage, now is they cure you.
As me, they cure you so.
I don't want to use like.
As they cure you now, cure you with audio and everything. Your family, your family way for come so. As they cure you with truth. Don't be when they talk life for my body. Now that lie when you talk, now they beat you put where I want lead you for body. As if I say talk true for my body, I no go talk. I go leave you make you go. But don't be when you go sit down, come lie. Me, I take and say, na saga. At the end, you come sit down with your wife, your woman, or go out by your Kevin. They say that my true life story where you don't know me before. When you don't know me before, say that my true life story they talk. Now I think they talk so. My story too scattered. Only men. What yeah? Ogbon here buwe. What soon go dem woro wa ba no ma here me wo. Ogbon here gboli wa the track. Wow, wa me wo go kokko me wo. So we down of babe. Wetin no happen am just dey talk am. Wa fian wo. Eyan where are they?
Fall down top of your head. Everybody here cure. Everybody don't know say you are bloody liars because you don't disgrace yourself on social media. You came out on your platform say Abeyuwa born 3 children, 3 boys. The same you also went to a platform worldwide to let the whole world know that you were lying. No. The same you also come on your plan say they don't sell my house where I built and you don't get it.
They sell am. You build, now you get am. You know see all the when I play when I be able to say me you can't swear. If now you get money when they buy that generator. If now you get the moment they tell you start the mob block for that house, me you can't swear put. I not play the audio for you. I will still play am later. I go still play am later. What you make you can't swear? If now you get money, when they take start that house, don't they talk call your house again. Abeyuwa just said the house before she come out. So shut up your mouth. Now they talk. I don't know where the priest for still those what we gonna do. The one with me I know, Abeyuwa don't sell her. Yes. She confirm her to me and she still send me audio. Make I play her to you. So me shut up your mouth. Me I need make it cry for them. She just said the house. So if the priest come and come to say they never say, when I go ask where the house is there. Me I don't know that one. The one where I know say they just said the house. And that one be my own. Now that one me I know. So then because they happy before say they never said the house. You not get house again. After the lobby you get the house. Who get house don't sell her. She even say that house nourishing money. You know when your sister they beg her. Say I beg you. He say if your senior brother go sell that house wait there for Osakadagbo. Say must sell they will take and pay her money. You know when they talk am. Wow, fear. What yeah.
The same you also come on social media and say they don't sell land.
Yes, it's the kind of covers there. It's yours.
No. And you think believe people will believe you when you are talking. And what by the
as you say me na me be you. Since they don't collect the house, you say you be big boy, you don't make money. If for kind of that one come out now, maybe we see the one we still they build they go now. You will say na meter level don't show. Or you just lay foundation. Let people see them. Carry the house go. I just thought and see the one that they go so. And that one they know big boys. And now they know big man. Now we just call them make pop for social media. At the end, you not more for grant. Now when you see the next see the zero. When one bell. What yeah.
And what back? What can do when you are A? They take you as A. When you start to say A and B, they know you are a confused human being.
So.
And those people will never trust you again. They will never confide on you. You have shown yourself to the whole world that you are a stupid man. You are an incompetent man. Walk me and vibes. The wife will be watching you on social media. Seeing the man talking about that is my husband.
No.
Women love men that said and stand by their word. Alright. We're back on the stream again because my network was bad. I have to change direct to my normal data. My house network they shift forward. The wave they come out, so I have to change to normal data. You understand? It then would not be boo. Wait, let me clean my.
See who they talk. You want to cover up, woman, no man, may you can't tell us the money where you chop the woman.
Bravo.
Not be one way they deny so.
Let's share this video.
Don't know, babe. Susu. One be a one top, one be a one tea, wemu. Wow, your boy. This one everybody be like you.
When it dem Mudiano Jebo Yanagoya Henry Napoli. La de that video. Do have one. If no soon die. Soon now in Napoli. No see no in Napoli.
May you can't talk your own story now. You come out for live video content the whole person that you go there with for house. Whereas now black Bini. Oh, we are just say. Now you deal with for house and the woman get husband. Now husband has nice.